Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, today we'll see some errors. Okay, see one thing I want to tell guys. Already I have created videos on error, like how the while testing API, which all error you will get. Okay, so that video I have done guys. But there I have used like a backend as Laravel, means the programming, whatever the coding I have done, that is in Laravel. So there was a request like please do on Node.js also why you're using Laravel and all. Okay, so now the technology has what I can say developed. You go for Node.js. Okay, so I want to tell you one thing, guys. I want to clear because some projects they need like Laravel and all according to customer requirements. So we have done some according to that, guys, like Laravel. Okay, but now today I'll show you guys in Node.js. For example, suppose if I created any APIs in Node.js and if you want to test that, so what error you will get and what all the things you need to take care, that we will see guys today. Okay, so let's start guys. So you can see guys, this is, I'll show you first my backend. So mm, mm, mm. Okay, so you can see guys, this is my backend and here I have created my APIs in a node. Okay, so you can see guys. Okay, so here I have used Node.js and I have created my API. So this only we will test guys today. Okay, so you can see guys, now we are in Postman. So here is my login API. Okay, so first mistake we will do guys, that is here this is my body section. Okay, so whatever thing is there, that is body section. Okay, so the body section you will get when here there is a URL where we need to add our API URL. Okay, and this is the method. This also I'll tell guys about method also. Okay, but here in params authorization headers, one body part will be there guys. In that we need to select a raw. Okay, and suppose if I selected raw, then it is very important guys that you need to select here JSON. Okay, sometime what will happen guys, we'll select here raw, but here the type will be different only, like HTML you consider. Okay, so that time you can see guys the view will be different. Okay, and it is not in JSON format. Okay, so here this should be in JSON format guys. Okay, and suppose if I selected here JSON, then whatever the body we are taking is that should be in JSON only. Okay, for example, suppose if I remove this and if you remove something here like double quotes and all, then guys this is not in JSON format. Okay, suppose if I add this data and if I test my API, you can see guys you will get error, that is 400 bad requests. And if you see here unaccepted token, something syntax error you will get guys. Okay, why we are getting this error? Because this is not the JSON format guys. JSON format is what you can see, this is the JSON format. There should be a uh, there should be a curly braces guys. In that we need to take the parameters. Okay, so what is the email, whatever the param we have used in our code, that we need to take here. Then password, then email, and whatever the password is there, that we need to take in double quotes, and there should be a comma. So this is compulsory guys if you're testing in JSON format. Okay, and suppose if you're testing in form data value, then there should be there is no need to take how we have taken here. Now no need of that. Directly you can add here key. For example, email is there, you can add email, and you can add here email, whatever the email is there. There is no need to add double quotes and all. Okay, so like this you can use. And if password, so directly you can use your password and you can add here password guys. Okay, but guys I'll suggest you go for this, just go for raw guys, because this is the correct way I can say. And suppose if there is any image and all, that time you can go for form data. So for image you need to select your file, and here you need to add the image from local machine. Okay, so you can add like this image guys here. Okay, so if you want to upload any image, that time you can go for this guys, a form data. But if you're testing any API, then I'll suggest you go with raw and JSON. Okay, so you can see guys, this is the thing, this is one thing guys. Okay, then and okay, this is the thing, and this is whatever here it is there now, this is our URL guys, means API URL. So this should be correct guys. For example, suppose if I add here anything extra, if I add n also, you can see guys here what error I'll get 404 not found error. Got, because my URL is not correct, so I'm getting that error guys. Okay, so this is also very important. And one more thing guys, you can see guys here there is an methods. Okay, so here I have to select the proper method. Okay, suppose if I select a get method and if I test, you can see guys I'm getting 404 not found error. Why I'm getting guys? Because uh, this is login guys, login API. Okay, first of all this is login API, so login API there should be post wise method will be post. So if you go in user roots, you can see guys here I have taken post method is what post guys, and this is my login, so there should be post only. Here it should be post guys. If you're taking get instead of post, then you will get an error. Okay, so this is also very important guys, method selection is also very important. Okay, so these are the things that are there. Then one more is there guys, that is the most requested I can say, that is unauthorization error or 404 401 not found error. That also we will get guys error. Okay, so I'll see whether it is logged in or not, I don't know. We'll test one API guys and later we'll check get all user whether it has authentication or not. Get all authors attribute. User details. Okay, for user details there is an auth. I want simple. Okay, we'll create one product guys and we'll see. Create product. Okay, product creative. Okay, so see now I will try to create one product and we'll see whether it will create or not. Here the method is post only. This is my URL. Now I'll test. You see guys I'm getting 401 unauthorized error, right? It is telling me please provide token. Okay, so why this is getting is because I am here I am not logged in user. Okay, I have not logged in, so it is telling me please log in first, then you are able to create a product. Okay, why? Because here I have given authentication. If you see in my roots guys, there is an authentication, so auth will become. So if auth is there, it is restricted guys, means only logged in user can create a product, otherwise nobody can create. So there is a 401 authorization error. Okay, suppose if I getting this error, that is 401 unauthorized error, that time what you need to do guys, you just go here and just log in with this registered email id and password. So this is my registered email id and password guys. So you can see guys, now I'll do here send. Okay, okay, here my method I have to change guys, so I'll make it post. Now I'll do send. You can see guys, now I have logged in. Okay, so I got here access token and I got here refresh token. Okay, so what you need to do guys, suppose if you are using the same PC, then guys directly you are able to create a product. Okay, but if you are means if you are testing API in different PC and your code is there in this PC, that time you need to add this access token. Okay, so how to add this? See, you just copy this access token key, just go here where it is create product. Okay, here, and go in authorization guys, sorry, headers, and here type authorization. Okay, authorization, then add here that access token, and then here we need to add the, this is key guys, authorization key. So this we need to copy, just go here, give some space, one space should be there, then add it here. Okay, just you need to add, then you need to test. You are able to create a product guys. So if I go here, okay, I'm getting one error guys, that is product validation field category cast to. Okay, just I'll check here guys, something is missing maybe. Okay, okay guys, so here I'm getting an error, so that I'll check guys here. So if I go here in roots, here I'm getting 500 error. So if I go in user controller, okay, I have to add first one image. So what I'll do, will upload one image first. Okay, so you can see guys, we have uploaded images. Okay, this is also one API guys to upload image. So as I told you, if I using images, then go with this form data. So you can see guys, I am with form data now because I am using your images now. So I have uploaded images because these images I am using in my create product guys. Okay, so this is images I am taking from that. So Now I'll create image here. Okay. Okay, now also I'm getting error. Category. Okay, I'm getting the validation failed, guys. So I'll see here category. Cat name is there now, wellness. Okay, this I'll remove it. Okay, product weed. Okay. Okay, now you can see, guys, we have created product created successfully. So there is an that category is extra, guys, so I have removed that because that was a validation error. So I removed that, and you can see, guys, we have created successfully a product. You can see. Okay, so like this we can use, guys, authorization. So as I told you, guys, I have added here in headers my authorization and key, and then I am able to create a product. Before that, you have seen, guys, I was not able to create product, right? But now I am able to create a product. So this is also one error, guys, which we will face while creating APIs and while testing API in Postman. If it is Node.js also, and if you're taking Laravel also backend, or anything different backend, then also you will face this error, guys. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. And next is, as I told you, this is very important. That is method, whether it is get, post, put. See, one more I'll show you here. There is an put delete also. You can see to delete I have used here delete, then for update I have used here put. So you can see, guys, this method is also very important. Okay, so I have taken that. This is that. Then one more error you might get, guys, that is exhaust error, not exhaust, course error, guys. So sometimes you will get that course error. So that time what you need to do, just go in Google and download the course and just install that in your backend, guys, here in Node. Just install that, so whatever the error you are facing, that it will get solved. Okay, so this is the thing, guys. Again, there are a lot of error, guys, but now I'm remembering only this much only. So if possible, if I get more errors and solution, then I'll create on that also one video, guys. Okay, so I hope you got till, means, these all errors how to solve, and whatever the what error you get in Node.js. Suppose if you have any question regarding this, then you can comment in comment box, guys. And if you are liking my videos, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Keep supporting me.